Hi, good morning. My name is Matthew. I'm back again to do another review. This is a new product that I've purchased as a replacement for my existing electric kettle. It's the Hamilton Beach glass kettle and it's model number 40865. Just to do a brief review, the packaging is it retails online for about $35 to $40 depending on where you go. Now this was purchased outside of the United States, so you can see what the packaging is like. It's a standard box with an egg crate base and an egg crate top. It's straight, easy, simple to use straight out of the box. So I will give you take a little look at the process here. It has a soft blue LED light on the base. There is no coil in the base of this. It's a flat surface, so it is a lot easier to clean, and it is a rather rapid boiling time. My only comment would be that I do consider it rather noisy in comparison, especially if it has a larger volume of water, but that's only initially. But that is inconsequential to the scheme of things. Now just let you take a look at what the base is like. And you have the handle is sturdy, the clip here is sturdy. That is still fairly acceptable even though I have steam coming out. It clicks in, you just press in there, and that's it. And I would say most of the Hamilton Beach products I've had have been very reliable, so you can safely give this one a try, especially if you're in the US at $35, $35 to $40, that is. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Any questions, feel free to give me a shout. Thanks. Hi, good morning. My name is Matthew. I'm back again to do another review. This is a new product that I've purchased as a replacement for my existing electric